Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make these super cute flower earrings. They are easy and quick to make, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So for this tutorial you're going to need two colors of worsted weight yarn, and I have this pink color and this brown color that I got from the dollar store. And you're going to need a 3.5mm crochet hook. You're also going to need a yarn needle, and you're going to need some jump rings for your earrings. I got this from Amazon. I will link in the description below. It comes in a lot of colors and they were really inexpensive, so if you guys want to check them out, I'll leave them in the link below. You're also going to need the earring findings, this earring hook right here, and you can also find them on Amazon, and I will leave the links as well. And you're going to need two of them, and some pliers. Alright guys, so we're gonna get started with our magic circle, and we are going to chain one, and into our magic circle we are going to make 12 single crochets. So here's my first single crochet, then my second, and I'm going to repeat that until I have 12 single crochets. So if you've never made a single crochet before, you insert your hook, yarn over, and then pull through that stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through that stitch. So it's a really simple stitch, and it's great for beginners. Alright, so I will see you back when you have 12 single crochets made into your magic circle. So here I have my 12 single crochets, and I'm not going to join into that first single crochet just yet, because I'm going to use my contrast color, which is my pink one here, and I'm going to join with that color so I can change the color. So I'm going to insert my hook in that first single crochet, and then grab the loop here and pull it through. That way when I change the color, it's not so visible and it blends. But if you have a better way to join another color, feel free to do that. This is just how I like to do it. So now I'm going to carry my yarn in the back, and I'm going to chain 3, and I'm only going to be working with the pink yarn now. So I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to make 3 treble crochets in that same stitch. Okay, so you yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through those last 2, and that's how you make a treble crochet. And a treble crochet is higher than a double crochet. So here I'm making my second treble crochet, and now my third one. Okay, and that chain 3 did count as a stitch, so I should have a total of 4 treble crochets. And in our next stitch, I'm going to make a slip stitch, and that's going to form our first petal. Now we are going to the next stitch, and you are going to make a single crochet in that next stitch. So now you chain 3 again. Remember, this is our counts as a stitch. Make another treble in that same stitch. So here I'm going a little slower if you never made one before. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through those last 2. Okay, so let's make one more. Okay, so now we repeat the same as before. We slip stitch in the next stitch and make a single crochet in that next stitch. And we basically do the same as before. So we chain 3, make 3 trebles in that same stitch, okay, so just keep doing the same pattern until you have 4 petals done, and I will show you how to finish this. Okay, so I will see you back. Alright, so here I have my last petal, and I'm just going to slip stitch in that next stitch to close, and then I'm going to cut the yarn and weave in my ends. And if you notice, I didn't close my magic circle all the way through because I wanted that opening, that circle open. Usually when you make a magic circle, you'll pull the yarn behind so it closes, but I wanted it to stay open. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn my earring and hide the ends in the back, and you should have a total of 4 stitches left in the front unworked. So here I'm just going to grab my yarn needle and weave the ends through the back. Alright guys, so now I'm ready to finish my earring, and I'm going to grab one of the jump rings that I showed you. So here's my jump ring, and I'm going to grab the pliers and pull it apart. Just gonna open it. The pliers will help you open it because they're pretty hard. And I'm going to insert it in the middle of those 4 stitches. Okay, so now it's in there. And before I close it, I'm going to insert that earring hook. So I'm just going to place it in there. And I'm going to grab my pliers again and close the jump ring. Okay, so here it's closed and I am done, you guys. So this is really simple to make and really quick, and they look really cute as well. And now all you have to do is repeat the same step for your second earring and you will have a pair of earrings to wear. I hope you love this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you back on my next tutorial. Bye!